Can a robot someday clean your floors, load your dishwasher, and even check in on your parents without you asking it to? What if machines could work like personal home assistants, knowing your routines and adjusting your days automatically? In this video, you're about to see how the future of robots in homes and daily life is unfolding right now, with breakthroughs that will change everyday living. From smart helpers that learn your habits to machines that act before you speak, this future is closer than you think. Stay tuned to explore all the exciting robotic technologies heading into our homes soon. Let's get started. 1. The rise of consumer humanoids. Humanoid robots are moving out of labs and into homes, marking a shift from industrial tools to personal companions and helpers. Robots like 1X and Neo are built to handle household tasks, such as placing items on shelves, carrying light objects, and offering support with routines. These robots use soft safety features, so they can work alongside people without causing injury or damage, a critical step for home use. In addition to basic duties, these humanoids are improving in navigation and object recognition, ensuring they can move around cluttered spaces and adapt to real-life home environments. Companies like Tesla are developing their Optimus Gen 3 bots with wide-ranging applications in mind, with mass production efforts underway and consumer versions targeted for broad availability. Meanwhile, models such as Unitree's G1 and R1 are setting price benchmarks that expand access, making advanced robotics less exclusive. Experts believe that as production scales and software improves, humanoids will play roles from simple task assistance to more complex behavioral support. With this rapid innovation, robots could soon become as common in households as vacuum cleaners are today. 2. Specialized home task automation. Beyond humanoids, specialized robots are advancing faster than many people realize. Robots like LG Siloid are showing they can act like advanced kitchen assistants, handling chores from loading dishwashers to preparing ingredients. These robots combine cameras, sensor, and AI to work around kitchens without constant guidance. Next-gen cleaners like the Roborock Saros rover navigate obstacles, such as stairs and tall thresholds, reaching areas that prior vacuum robots simply couldn't access. Their agile movement and adaptive routines mean fewer blind spots and more consistent results. Outdoor robots like Godot Siri for lawn care and snow removal units, equipped with GPS and LiDAR, are handling yard tasks automatically all year long. These systems map outdoor spaces, adjust to changing weather, and react to hazards without requiring manual direction. Robots designed for gardens and sidewalks will soon be standard, taking routine maintenance off your plate. With software updates and remote control apps, these helpers will grow more capable and efficient over time. 3. Healthcare and emotional companionship. Robots are not just cleaning floors. They are stepping into healthcare roles and offering emotional support. Humanoids like 1X and Neo and Fourier GR2 are being tested as elder care assistants, helping with mobility support, monitoring vital signs, and reminding users about medications. These robots use AI to understand human routines, so they can provide timely alerts if something unusual occurs. Some designs also include gentle physical support, reducing the risk of falls for older adults and giving families peace of mind. Meanwhile, social robots such as Svikar focus on friendship and engagement, growing physically in response to interaction to reinforce connection. Other robots like Pepper and Paro are trained with vision language models to read facial cues and emotional signals, offering calming comfort to people with dementia or cognitive challenges. These machines don't just respond. They learn patterns of emotion and adjust their behavior to soothe, entertain, or reassure. By supporting mental well-being, these helpers fill a role that blends technology with empathy. 4. Proactive smart home integration. The smart home of tomorrow will no longer wait for commands. It will anticipate your needs. For example, a robotic mop might begin cleaning automatically once sensors detect that everyone has left a room. These context-aware systems use advanced sensors and data patterns to predict what action should be taken next, such as adjusting temperature or lighting as your day progresses. Connected platforms like Gear Brain Assistant unify diverse smart devices from different brands, allowing them to work as one cohesive system. This integration eliminates the frustration of managing multiple apps or controls, steering your home toward a truly unified tech ecosystem. As AI collects data about routines and preferences, Homes will adapt flows like lighting, climate, and security to support comfort and safety. Instead of tapping commands, you'll experience environments that react smoothly to your lifestyle. The result is a home that feels both intelligent and intuitive, reducing friction from daily life. 5. Home robotics market growth and consumer trends. Robots at home are not a niche concept anymore. They are a rapidly growing market. The household robots industry is projected to expand significantly, with forecasts showing the market doubling or more over the next decade. Global estimates project market values reaching into the tens of billions as consumers adopt robots for cleaning, security, care, and companionship. Most current robot sales still come from cleaning and security helpers, but demand is shifting toward healthcare and caregiving robots as well. As AI capabilities improve and costs come down, consumer willingness to use robots is rising across different age groups and household types. Researchers have also observed that interest varies widely by age and living situation, which means manufacturers are tailoring offerings for young professionals, seniors, and multi-person homes alike. This trend shows that robots will soon be everyday staples in homes, not luxury gadgets. 6. Personalized robot learning and interaction. Robots are learning to become more personalized and adaptable to unique households. Research in continual learning architectures shows that home robots could adapt to changes in your environment, learning layouts, object locations, and user habits over time. This allows robots to become more reliable and precise, even in dynamic situations where furniture moves or doors open differently. Some systems under development focus on adaptive learning, in which robots gather sensory data and iteratively optimize their task performance. This means that robots can improve as they interact with you, reducing mistakes and increasing reliability. In advanced research, wearable controllers and multimodal perception allow robots to interpret not just commands, but intent through gestures or context. The goal is for robots to blend intelligence with real-world adaptability, making them practical partners in daily life. 7. Multitask robots beyond daily chores. Smart home robots are no longer limited to performing just one task at a time. In fact, multitasking robots are on the horizon, transforming the way we interact with technology in our homes. In the past, many households relied on separate devices for different tasks, like a vacuum cleaner, window washer, and security system. But the future is all about all-in-one robots that can manage multiple responsibilities simultaneously. These multifunctional robots will not only clean your home, but will also be capable of tasks like monitoring your pets while you're away, adjusting thermostat settings based on room occupancy, and even providing alerts if they detect any unusual sounds or movements. These systems will use advanced sensors, cameras, and AI decision-making to operate autonomously and adapt to your home's needs in real time. With the rise of predictive robotics, these robots will be able to anticipate your needs, starting tasks before you even ask for them. For example, they may start vacuuming when they detect the house is empty or adjust the temperature in the evening before you get home. The future of robotics isn't just about convenience. It's about continuous, proactive support, making our homes smarter and more efficient than ever before. 8. Smart companion robots with advanced perception. Finally, robots designed for companionship are growing more perceptive and aware of human behavior. Next-gen social bots will use cameras, voice recognition, and language understanding to provide engaging interactions that feel natural. This technology isn't just about tasks. It's about connection, interaction, and emotional support. Beyond laughter and talking, these companion bots will be capable of identifying emotional cues and responding appropriately, whether that means offering a joke, suggesting a break, or playing purposeful music. Robots of this type could sit beside someone during moments of stress, remember personal preferences, and even celebrate achievements with users. They won't just be tools. They will be companions that adapt to relationships and personalities, enriching everyday life. There you have it, a complete picture of how robots are shaping the future of homes and daily life. From intelligent humanoids and task-specialized helpers to proactive environments and personal companions, robotics is moving into every corner of our lives. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into AI, robotics, and the tech that's about to change your world. Let me know in the comments which robot you're most excited to see in your home. Catch you in the next video.